This lesson will cover the meaning of multinational companies and the reasons they operate in more than one country. A multinational company is a company that operates in two or more countries. It usually operates in its home country and other countries around the world. It is also called a multinational corporation. Examples of multinational corporations include Apple, Coca-Cola, Toyota, and Shell. Apple is a technology company headquartered in California, U.S., but with other locations outside the U.S. Toyota is a Japanese multinational company with other facilities outside of Japan. Why do multinationals operate in more than one country? The first reason is to make more revenue from selling in more than one country. A multinational company makes money from multiple locations around the globe as it operates in countries worldwide. This is better than relying on sales from just one country. Low costs. Multinationals set up operations in locations where costs are lower to maximize profit. For example, they may establish businesses in developing countries because labor is cheaper than in their home countries. Multinationals consider proximity to the source of raw materials and components in setting up their businesses. Siting a business close to raw material source would eliminate the need to spend a lot on transportation, especially when bulky materials are involved. In addition, raw materials can be obtained more cheaply in some countries. This will lower their production costs if they establish their presence there. Regulations are laws, rules, and standards that businesses have to comply with in their areas of operation. They cover areas such as pollution, minimum wage, quality standards, safety standards, etc. Complying with regulations can be expensive for the business. Therefore, multinationals tend to move their operations to areas where there are fewer and no strict regulations to keep their costs low. Multinational corporations also consider the quality of the workforce before setting up in a location. They establish operations in countries where they can employ highly skilled workers for their business. Multinationals are known to employ the best talents from around the world. These employees would increase the company's output since they are very productive. Some governments promote productivity by giving certain incentives to businesses, including multinationals, for example, subsidies, tax credits, etc. This explains why some multinational corporations are drawn to particular nations. Tax havens. Tax havens are places where there is low or no tax. Tax havens attract corporate entities and high net worth individuals due to the tax advantage. These countries attract a lot of foreign direct investment from multinational companies. For example, Qatar and UAE are tax-friendly destinations for investment.